Hello everyone. So today I have for you a bit of a, I guess like a DIY. I'm just going to be making a turmeric face mask, which has been a trend for a while now. Sorry, there's like a bug in my room. Anyways, so all you're going to need for this is, well, you can like do it how you want to, but this is what I'm using. So I have some turmeric and some honey and a lemon. I've seen a lot of people do it with yogurt and other stuff, but this is just what I'm going. Oh, actually there's one more thing. I'll be right back. And I'm also going to use avocado oil because I love avocado oil and I use it. This is like my moisturizer, I guess. So, okay, I'm just going to cut this lemon. Yeah, I'm just squeezing half of a lemon into my little container. I'll get the seeds out in a second. And I'm gonna add my honey. I'm not really doing this by any exact measurements. I'm kind of just eyeballing it, I guess. I'm doing what feels right. And once I start adding the turmeric, I'm just gonna try and get it to like a kind of paste, but like not too thick of a consistency so I can like spread it on my face. But for those of y'all who are wondering what the point of a turmeric mask is, it's really good for dark spots and acne scars, and it really just brightens up your skin. I mean, my under eyes are really dark, but besides that, I wouldn't say I have any like serious acne scars or anything like that, but I still wanted to give it a try. Okay, so I added the honey, the lemon juice, and just like a little bit of the avocado oil. And now I'm gonna add the turmeric. Okay. So I'm just gonna like take this little spoon and get like maybe just like a spoonful. I don't know if you can see, that's how much I'm using. It's probably too much, but I'm just gonna wing with it. So yeah. Oh yeah. And I just realized I didn't take out the lemon seeds. So there's gonna be a few seeds in this mask, but you know, whatever. And it's a bit too watery for my taste, so I'm gonna add some more turmeric. I probably should have like thought about this and like measured it out, but like it's too late now, so we're just rolling with it. I think I might add a bit more honey too. And I advise that you wear just like an old t-shirt or whatever, just because I've heard that turmeric stains and you wouldn't want to get any stains on something that you really like. Not that I don't like the shirt. I like the shirt. But I feel like it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So a lot of people say that like they wear gloves when they do it just because it does stain. But I'm not going to. So yeah. Okay, anyways, so this is, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like the consistency I have it at right now. And I don't know if I want it to be a bit creamier or if I think it's like okay. I know this probably looks so disgusting right now, but I'm gonna put this on my face. Oh, it almost dropped. Anyways, so I mean, it smells good. It just smells like turmeric and lemon. And lemon. Yep, that's what it smells like. So I'm not gonna wear any gloves, and I'm gonna try and get my hair out of the way because I don't want to get in my hair. Oh, it's a good look. Ooh, yeah. Anyways, so I'm just gonna use my hands. Probably not the best decision, but whatever. Here we go. Oh, and I also heard that you don't want to get it on your eyebrows or anything because it's also good for like hair removal and you don't want to lose your brows, so make sure to remember that, and like your hairline also. Ooh, it's kind of grainy. I mean, I guess that's a given like the turmeric or whatever. So we're not sitting here in awkward silence as I put this on. This feels really good actually, like on my skin. Like it just like feels good. I don't know, I kind of like the grainy texture. I'm gonna make sure not to get my eyebrows. So I'm not trying to have my eyebrows get snatched. Get under my eyes since that's like a darker area on my face. But I haven't shaved my stash in a hot minute, so maybe this will, you know, help me get rid of that. Oh my god, I'm so awkward. This fly is like, ooh, honey, oh, let me get in there. I'm like, nope. Alright, okay. That's as far as I'm gonna go. Keeps going. Alright, well, yeah. Yeah, I think, that's good. I'm gonna just try and, like, use up all of it, I guess, because I don't really need any leftover or anything, you know? But once I'm done, I'm gonna just let this sit for 20 minutes. Because that's what everybody else on the interwebs has said. And I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna do what everybody else is doing. Does anybody else watch these kinds of videos just to see the weird faces people make? Because I do. My eyebrow. No. Okay. I'm also like slightly paranoid because I did watch a video the other day where a lady literally got both of her eyebrows snatched while doing a face mask, so I don't want that to be me. I think I made too much for the size of my face because I still have quite a bit left. Yeah. Hey y'all, what's going on? How's life? You know? Yeah? It's good? Yeah, me too. Alright, I'm done. So, I'm gonna go wash my hands and clean this table because it's a hot mess. The aftermath, it's not cute. It's not cute. So, I can't even turn off the camera because, oh wait, I have a finger. I have a clean finger. So I'm gonna turn off my camera and I'll be right back. I have to stop. I'm going. I'm gone. 20 minutes. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, bye. I'm back. It's been 20 minutes and oh. So I used a washcloth and I had to vigorously rub it off of my face, and I used warm water, and then because like it stains, like it'll stain your skin just like a little bit. Honestly, my nails, I don't know if you can tell if it like shows up on camera, probably not, but my nails got stained a little bit yellow, but that's my own fault because I knew it stained, but I did not use gloves or like a makeup brush or anything, whatever. Anyways, so after I got most of it like off, I went in and I washed my face with this Burt's Bees Soap Bark and Chamomile Deep Cleansing Cream. Okay, so yeah, and this is my face immediately afterwards. I haven't used like any product or anything, and my skin does look super bright, because you know, you like watch people do it and you're like, eh, like does it really make that much of a difference? No. But then you try it and you're like, okay. Anyways, so this is what my skin's looking right now, I haven't like put anything on after like washing my face or anything. So yeah, this is where I'm at. My skin feels nice and soft and smooth, and it looks a lot brighter, that's for sure. So I'm just gonna like moisturize, and yeah. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna moisturize, and as I said before, I like to use this avocado oil to moisturize. Try to use not too much, because I don't want to like look super oily, but it is really nice. So it looks like I have some on the back of my neck, but I'm gonna get to that later. After I finish, yeah, after I say bye, which is pretty much now. So this is what my skin is looking like right now, and yeah, it looks really, really good. Like my skin looks very, very bright. Like I look very bright, which I like. I like my skin to be nice and glowy, and that's where I'm at right now. So if you want to give this a try, I'll leave all the information in the description, though it's not much. I'll just like put what I use in the description bar below. And yeah, so if you guys, I know like probably this entire time I've been like looking past, like right past the lens, because I have a mirror back there, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, if you guys give it a try, let me know how it goes for you in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye guys. Boop.